This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the audio exactly where Garageband can access it. Import the song into Files or the Music app, then open Garageband and tap to create a new song project. Once inside, choose an audio recorder or audio tracks view so you can add a file. Trim the selection now to under 30 seconds. Ringtones must be short. Then make sure the region is exactly where you want the ringtone to begin. This prevents awkward cuts later. Now focus on precise editing. Zoom the timeline, split its start and end points, and delete everything outside your chosen 30-second region. Apply quick fades at both ends so the ringtone sounds natural when phone rings. Once the region is ready, go to My Songs, long press the project to rename it, then tap Share and choose Ringtone. You will be prompted to export. Confirm the name and tap Export. This creates a ringtone file directly accessible to your device. Finally, assign the new tone. Open Settings, navigate to Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone, and tap the Garageband export you created. Once done, make sure to test by calling your number. If you don't see the ringtone, restart the Settings app or export again from Garageband. Sometimes the new file needs a refresh. If it plays clipped or too long, return to Garageband, shorten the region to 30 seconds or less, re-export, and reselect it in ringtone settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.